Hi everyone, this is Armin from ArmensCraftRoom. Are you a Harry Potter fan too? I love Harry Potter and I saw this kit available on Joann's website on Memorial Day and I was like, I'll have to have this. So it came in the mail and I thought I'd show you what comes in this Harry Potter scrapbook kit. It is a Paperhouse Productions product and we'll start with the paper and then we'll go with the extras at the end. Alright, so the first sheet of paper has gold foiling. And this has got the crest for Hogwarts, as well as the Hogwarts castle at night. You could make a large format card with this, and then a regular one here, and have some gorgeous blue in the background. And the back has all the house crests on it. No foiling on the back. The nice thing about this paper kit is that there are 3 sheets of each print. Which is how many I normally buy of cut-aparts when I buy card kits. So for the cut-apart page, this is the watercolor version, by the way, we've got 2 border strips, one with the crest and one with the Gryffindor scarf. There's a Hogwarts crest, all aboard the Hogwarts Express, golden snitch, I open at the close, and a Quidditch broom. The Phoenix, happiness can be found even in the darkest of times. The monster book, little bit of icon for each of the house names. There's a train ticket, mischief managed sentiment, I solemnly swear that I'm up to no good sentiment, a Harry Potter golden snitch icon, Hedwig icon, the sorting hat, and some polyjuice potion. There's also Hogwarts is my home, an evening shot with stars in the castle, and some different wand movements and spell names on the bottom. Spells and charms with a book. You can also cut apart this little bit of Hedwig too as part of the border strip. Polyjuice potion, and extraordinarily ordinary. So that's all the cut aparts, and if you turn it around, super cute print. It's got all the Gryffindor, Hedwig, Harry Potter's glasses. Oh, so cute. I'm kind of bummed that they put this print on the back of the cut-aparts, honestly, because I wish they'd put one of the other ones that I don't like as much on the back. This is going to be really hard to pick. Then there's also 3 sheets of the crests in color. And the back is a nice striped. It goes with everything. And then the final 3 sheets are spell names with this really cool watercolory background in blue. And the back is more spell names and wand movements. Both going to be great background papers. So all in all, you get 9 sheets of 12 by 12 and 3 sheets of cut-aparts if you're using the cut-aparts. Otherwise, there's 12 sheets. And you do get 4 rolls of washi tape. Okay. This looks like we've got a vintagey paper parchment feel Hedwig, the sorting hat, the glasses, the golden snitch, books, broom, and it goes on. And then this one is gold foil, looks like snowflakes on a red background. And the second package, alright, this one's got parchment with the script of each of the house names. And then it's got this gold foil one that has the house crest on it. Be nice for decorating the insides of cards, or if you're doing day planners, for day planners. Also comes with a vinyl sticker, so put this on a water bottle or your planner. I'm going to put it on a card. All aboard Hogwarts Express. This is a really cool vintagey feel to it. Platform 9 3/4. That's like a full card front on its own. These are my favorite part, the 3D stickers. These are awesome. They've got like glitter and all sorts of good stuff on them. Gold foil glitter. Wizards welcome. Got Hedwig, the letter, the Gryffindor scarf, the train, the glasses, the books, platform 9 3/4, train ticket, wands at the ready, Expelliarmus, the castle, Gryffindor crest. Hogwarts is my home with Hedwig. That one's got glitter and foil. And then I don't go looking for trouble. Trouble usually finds me. You also get a pack of these white back stickers. It's got 4 sheets. So of these sheets, I've got Expelliarmus. It's got some movie still shots, Hogwarts, a lot of the same images, just in the white, some feathers, some extra stars. Got Hermione making polyjuice, Professor Dumbledore. Happiness can be found even in the darkest of times. And there's a few strips of washi. I love the washi stickers. Just to get a few banners with the fishtail tag, another washi strip. Some more of the similar icons, this time the lightning bolt, another Harry Potter wizard welcomes, a few more trains. Additional scarves, Harry Potter and Hedwig, the golden snitch, some more washi borders. And they are a little bit different than the first one. The scarf one repeats, but the other 2 are different. And for the final sheet, you have the Gryffindor wins Quidditch, the cup, and then we have an icon for Quidditch, Hogwarts, and each of the houses. There's a fair amount of stickers in here, and then there's also a clear backed icon sticker sheet that comes with this. Okay, and all the same things, giving you different backings really gives you a lot of choice on how you're going to use them. Alright, so that's the Harry Potter kit, and I look forward to creating with this. Definitely be some videos on that coming up soon. If you'd like to see any cards made with this, or hear about the crafty math about how many cards this kit will make, please make sure you like this video, and then subscribe to the channel so that you can be the first to know the next time I post a new video. Both liking and subscribing cost nothing, and they really help the channel get out there. It can be seen by more people, and then also so that it'll trigger on your homepage as well if you watch enough of them. Anyway, I hope to see you there.